I don't know what happened. There was this crazy breakout phase that I had when I was in college, and all the entire cheeks, like the entire this area, got covered with so many red acne, and it was so difficult after they went also to remove the marks. I later on realized that I have PCOD. So that also is a reason why you kind of have a lot of breakouts, Uh, so then after PCOD, like a lot, the kind of medicines that they give you, they're not good. Allopathic medicines are actually not good for your skin. Sometimes I'll put anda, like the white part, on my head, and like with mashed banana on my head. It just depends on my mood. I love Vidya Balan ma'am's skin. I think there's some glow to it, and there's some natural I don't know, there's some natural aura that she carries. This is there, but हमारी generation में ना a change is happening in terms of people accepting their flaws and flaunting it. I love it when I go on social media and I suddenly see a girl's photo with like some stretch marks showing, and like the way they write captions and the way they flaunt, it takes a lot of guts and a lot of confidence. Hi guys, I'm Nupur Sanin. You're watching me on Bollywood Bubble, and I'm going to share all my skin and beauty secrets with you. My morning skin routine includes, so usually at night there's some serum on my skin, and so I wash my face with there's this Avene karke, there's a face wash which is best because I have a little acne prone sensitive skin, so I have to take that extra care. And so usually that or Cetaphil is my first face wash that I do. And I think then I leave my skin bare for a couple of hours, because I feel that there's been too much. So I think you also need a little gap for your skin to breathe. So in the morning, my skin is breathing. Like there's nothing on it. Moisturizer is something that I don't really prefer using so much, also because of sensitive skin. So I feel that thoda, like the oily portion of it might get me some acne or some bump or something like that. But I always make sure that I use a sunscreen. So my sunscreen is usually like a sunscreen moisturizer sort of a thing. So my moisturizer has a bit of like 50 SPF sunscreen in it. So that's what I use. Like I sometimes forget to use it at home, but I think that's also really important, because I know हम लोग lockdown में and stuff घर पे ही रह रहे हैं, but sun UV rays can still affect you when you're at home. So then my mom or my sister usually remind me, okay, please put sunscreen every 3 hours or something. So that's something that's my go-to. Yeah. I've had the worst problems, especially in college. I don't know what happened. There was this crazy breakout phase that I had when I was in college, and all the entire cheeks, like the entire this area, got covered with so many red acne, and it was so difficult after they went also to remove the marks. That's the worst part. But I think I mean now I don't even remember कि कहाँ हुए थे and क्या था, thankfully. But that was like a really, really, really bad phase, the college phase, when I had that. At that time, I didn't have proper knowledge about why I'm getting those acne. So I took the allopathic route, and I went to a skin doctor, and they give you, there are a couple of medicines that they give you, and your skin becomes way more dry than it already is, and that's how it gets controlled. So that happened. But over the time, I realized that that's a very quick fix kind of a thing. I mean, I don't promote it, especially like I later on realized that I have PCOD. So that also is a reason why you kind of have a lot of breakouts, so then after PCOD, like a lot, the kind of medicines that they give you, they're not good. Allopathic medicines are actually not good for your skin and for your body, especially because it's like tweaking with the hormones, the natural hormones of your body, and making your natural hormones dependent on a medicine. Then जब वो medicine stop होगी, your body will not function in a normal way, and it will not produce that hormone without getting that medicine. That's what I realized, and now I have moved to a homeopathic doctor. Since a year, I've been only following that. Like I have my homeopathic medicine at night. It has all my PCOD medicine, everything in one small, those 3 pills that I take twice, morning and night. And I think that's the best thing. Anyone who has PCOD, I'd recommend, please don't take allopathic. It's really not healthy. You are screwing with your system, and you're like your internal system and hormonal system really, really bad. DIY skin hacks. So Kriti is someone who's very much into skincare. Okay, all the time. If you check her Google and recent searches, you'll see 1 or 2 products. Something you're gonna see. So she's someone who keeps ordering a lot of serums and this and that and all. You just मैं passing में if I mention to her, आज ना मुझे यहाँ पे एक acne ऐसे feel हो रहा है. Next day she would have ordered some serum of acne and it'll be with you, and she'll be reading out the guidelines कि ये ऐसे करना है. But I am more into DIY hacks in terms of sometimes I just randomly put like mashed papaya on my face. Sometimes I'll put anda, like the white part, on my head, and like with mashed banana on my head. It just depends on my mood. I think lockdown May I've done this a lot because there was so much free time, and this was the creative aspect that I could get myself into. So, but mostly just following a proper skin ritual. I think you should have your day serum, you should have your night serum. You should definitely moisturize your skin at night. Now I've started doing it. I earlier used to feel that moisturize करने से आपके skin पे acne हो सकता है. But when I read about things, I realized that it's also because you don't moisturize your skin, you keep it dry. Your skin, because it's not getting the right moisture, like the right hydration, it produces internally. It starts producing oils because you're not giving that to your skin, and that's the reason why you get acne. So it's probably you would think that you're keeping your skin dry and that's helping, but it's actually the other way around. So there is this oil. I'm not a makeup remover. I mean those watery based makeup remover person. It doesn't suit my skin. I'm more of an oil based person. So there is this Clinique. There's this makeup removing gel sort of a thing that comes. Okay, it's an oily gel. I love it. That's something that I just apply on my entire face when I come back home, and it takes out every small particle of makeup on my skin, from my mascara to everything, and then I just wash my face, and then I apply a night serum, whatever. So these days there's this Indian brand called Dew Hustle. It's a tiny light blue bottle. That's something that I've been using since the past 1 week, and I'm really liking it for myself. So that's also I read a lot of reviews and stuff, and then because I was a little skeptical when it usually my products are always I'm ordering it from abroad or something. So but I've really heard a lot of good stuff about this brand. So I'm just trying at this point, and for a week I've been feeling good about my skin. For me, or I think every person who has acne problem, and there's so many girls who are suffering from this and so many boys too, we think that we shouldn't put any moisturizer on our face because that is oily, and putting anything oily to our skin means that acne हो जाएगा. But हम अपनी skin को इतना dry रख रहे होते हैं, which is why our skin from like internally it's producing oils, which is why we are having acne, more acne. It's the same myths. Like we feel mostly water retention उन लोगों को होती है जो पानी कम पीते हैं, ना कि उन लोगों को जो ज्यादा पीते हैं. बिकॉज हमारी बॉडी ऐसे रिएक्ट करती है कि हमारी बॉडी को पता होता है कि पानी नहीं मिलने वाला है, बिकॉज ये इंसान पानी नहीं पीता है, तो हमारी बॉडी स्टोर करती है वाटर. And someone who drinks a lot of water would not have so much of water retention. I think that's the science behind it. I'm impressed with myself. The common mistake when what I think makeup wise, we kind of, anyone who's like of a darker complexion kind of always, I mostly see people doing more makeup and putting like, you know, compacts and all to look fairer. And people who are of the fair skin are trying to use bronzers and, you know, like tone down there. I mean, for me, I would want to be the color I am, and I think every color is so beautiful, every complexion is so beautiful and it stands out only when you're letting the skin be as is. You know, you're not changing things about and tweaking things about yourself. And this is a myth because people think that they're looking better, and that's not true. I mean, I feel that, and I've seen so many women of like different color looking absolutely stunning because their skin is glowing and it's exactly how they are. So that's one myth that I would like to break for people that they're listening. Yes, definitely. There's nothing. See, these are certain things जो इतने time से चली आ रही है ना, that no matter how much you want to break them, especially I love the fact that people in our generation really like voice out their concerns and their problems and like rebel against all these things, which is absolutely fab, I feel. But I think this is there, but हमारी generation में ना a change is happening in terms of people accepting their flaws and flaunting it. I love it when I go on social media and I suddenly see a girl's photo with like some stretch marks showing, and like the way they write captions and the way they flaunt, it takes a lot of guts and a lot of confidence. I think धीरे धीरे that whole perception and the whole benchmark of what beauty and the definition of beauty for an actress or an actor in our industry, I think has changed. I think we've become better. We're doing better. There's still a long way to go, but I think we have become better. So many people, but I don't know why I'm saying this, but I love like how I love Vidya Balan ma'am's skin. I think there's some glow to it, and there's some natural I don't know, there's some natural aura that she carries. You know, when she smiles, and I don't even feel that she's ever put makeup. That's how natural and that's how glowy her skin is. And I think that's, for me, that's the standard of beauty that I look for. So guys, this was me, Nupur, sharing all my beauty tips and secrets with you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.